Spectrum Internet uses cable infrastructure with DOCSIS technology and fiber in select areas. Spectrum offers speeds from 200 Mbps to 1 Gbps. Urban areas typically achieve 90 to 95% of advertised speeds, while rural areas may see 70%. In non-fiber areas, downloads are faster than uploads. Expect slowdowns during peak usage from shared bandwidth. Latency typically ranges from 10 to 30 milliseconds, suitable for streaming and gaming. Some plans include 1.2 byte data caps. In 2024, Spectrum introduced the Internet Gig plan with symmetrical 1 Gbps speeds for $109.99 per month after a $10 auto-pay discount. They also removed data caps in some markets, though bundled TV services still include them. Spectrum Internet offers various pricing tiers starting around $50 per month for 200 Mbps service, with contracts required and going up to $120 for 1 Gbps plans. Additional costs include modem rental at $15 per month and installation fees ranging from $50 to $100. Reliability varies by location, with fiber areas achieving 99.5 to 99.9% uptime compared to 98 to 99% in cable-only regions. Potential drawbacks include peak hour throttling and data overage fees of $10 per 50 gigabytes. Users report inconsistent performance and rising prices after introductory periods. A 2024 class action lawsuit addressed undisclosed fee increases. Despite these challenges, Spectrum has invested heavily in fiber expansion, aiming for 50% fiber coverage by 2030. FCC data from 2024 to 2025 shows a median download speed of 250 megabits, up 15% from 2023, with customer reliability rated 3.5 out of 5. Gaming performance is generally good, though upload throttling may occur during tournaments.